Okay, I'm recording this.
Thank you.
So let's take some cloudy day images. Okay. Um, let's save this image. Okay, take any footage. Okay, then again it's simple, or else just import this. You get a new composition. Okay, so here right click, effect, simulation, CC rainfall. So you can very clearly see what's happening here. So so you can see this effect, right? Water raining effect. You can see, right? Raining effect in this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us work on the scene depth. Uh, Scene depth. If I add more, I'll get means far the rain size and all. The stroke size will be smaller. Here it is lengthier. Okay, like that. And wind. Let's give a wind from this direction. Opacity I can increase more. Okay. Transform mode is lighten. If I can make it composite, so let it be lighten. Okay, color is fine, or else what you can do, a blue tint you can give. Okay, so now if you play, this is the output you get. Understood? So even like wind changes like that also you can do. Even you can animate this. Okay. Okay, it's like this. Okay, so you can try this. um, if you want only the raindrop, not the image, in that case just turn off this composite with original. If you turn off, so only raindrops are there. Okay, so that's how it is. Okay, this is with rainfall. So let us do a color correction for this particular image as well. So I'll just go to color correction, curves, something like this you can give. Okay, so try this before and after output you can do. So I'm doing this for image, you can do for video also. Okay, before and after. And even what we can do is there are few more examples wherein under effect CC thread, light sweep, glue gun. Okay, last class we have done one more thing. Ball action, drizzle, CC drizzle. I'll take the CC drizzle, but not for this. I'll duplicate this. Uh, in the top one, I don't want CC drizzle. I'll turn off this drizzle for the top one. For the bottom one, for the bottom, what I'll do, for the bottom, I'll just keep only this surface area. See here, select this pen tool for the bottom layer. Okay, I'm selecting this. So I want only this one. Now what I'll do, I'll turn on CC drizzle. Okay, so here ripple ripple height is okay. Spreading I reduce like this. Drip rate I increase more drip rate, more and more. Um, this spreading I just reduce like this. Okay, something like this. Okay, now I turn on this. Now let's see. So when we play, what happens? Okay, in this case, I want this to be here. So can you see what's happening here?
Yes, sir.
So here, like what? Okay, this seems more actually. Now displacement is too much. This seems like on a backwater river or much water or on an ocean. The way how rain falls, how it happens, no, like that it is happening. So I don't want rainfall here. Anyhow, rainfall is happening here. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll be selecting this drizzle. I need to reduce longi longevity and displacement. Let me reduce. Displacement is, I'll keep it very little. Let me increase displacement a bit. Even ripple effect also. Okay, I can try. This is another effect which you can do. Okay, so waterfall is happening, so ripple is also there. Okay, like this. Okay, this is one effect. Let's do another one. um I'll turn off this. I'll be selecting this. Okay, now I'll turn off the CC rainfall. So here under color correction, I'll take this colorama. Okay, here what I'll do, output cycle, I'm just selecting Caribbean. I'm selecting Caribbean, and here blend with original. I'm making it by 70%, and curves. Curves is something like this. I'll give. Okay. So this is a tint which I wanted to give. Now for the original is like this. This is a tint. Okay, this is another example for snowfall. Snowfall, you should have something like this. Okay, and so right click here, simulation, add snowfall, add snowfall, and when you play, you can see the snowfall effect here. So this looks good actually. Now what I'll do, can you see the snowfall? This is so thin. So let us increase the size of the snowfall. I'm increasing the size of the snowfall. I'm increasing more and more flakes, and variation in the size I'll add. I'm increasing more. Scene depth, if I add more, the far which is visible, those are smaller in size, and the closer are bigger in size. And wind also, anyhow, I'm giving a direction for the wind. Okay, spread, it will spread across, if we do like this. Opacity I can increase a bit. Got it. This is how it looks. Any doubts?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
See, this is very interesting. We can do a lot of things with this. Okay, so I'm just doing for only images. You do this for videos, it looks good. So you can stand somewhere, closer to nature, and take a simple 5 second, 10-second video, and you apply this effect. This looks so beautiful. Okay, so you can send Christmas wishes and all for the team, like that you can do. Okay, this is snowfall. I'll turn off this. So let me just go to simulation. Let's see few other thing. Pixel poly. Okay, it's a simple effect. See, now this is a textured polygon. You want a square like this. You want textured square like this. Okay, normal polygon, simple color, not the texture. It's just one color. You observe, it's a simple color. Now textured polygon, you get the same texture. Okay, so force and all you can define how you want. Gravity you can define, and spinning, if you need any spinning like this, you can define. Direction randomness you can define. Okay, speed also you can define. So in this case, if you play like blast, one blast, you can do. This is pixel poly. Okay, CC pixel poly. Now I'll come to simulation. Then I'll show you rainfall and all is done. Rainfall, this is done. Scatterize. Okay, scatterize is right twist. See, and this is left twist. Something like this. Okay, so you can twist, you can animate these things. Getting, you can do a lot of things like this. Anyhow, this is an effect only. Okay, scatterize. Then I'll come to simulation. You have starburst. Starburst is good. You get this effect. Okay, so you can increase the size of this. Scatter, you can increase. Speed you can increase. Okay, this is CC starburst. So under simulation, you have particle system are also there. Particle system is nothing but, you get this sort of effect. I'll turn on, I'll add a new solid, black solid. So in the bottom, so this looks good. See, you have, you can do something like this. Then here you can play with this longevity, how much you want. Okay, producer is nothing but um, the birth rate of this position. You can move the position, you can move the position here either in different axes. So radius x is like this, radius y is like this. Okay, so physics, you have a lot of like, you want like explosive or fractal explosive twirl. Okay, so when you play this, you get this kind of twirl. Okay, like these things. Velocity can increase, inherent velocity is nothing but by default, um, initially what speed is there, that will carry. Okay, that's how it is. For example, fire, you can have a fire effect. Okay, fire effect can be there, so you can reduce this. Y also you can reduce. So this is a fire. Okay, so like this you can do. So particle, which particle you want. Now particle is line. Instead of line, if you want star, you can make this a star. Okay, see stars. Okay, instead of star. So this takes some time, some more time to explain. Let us see this. Okay, you can have bubble. Bubbles looks good. See, this is the effect you get, bubble. Okay, then uh, this is another sort of bubble. Okay, motion polygon. So you get something like this. So you can try all this. There are so many things which you can do with this. Cubes. Okay, similarly, lens, convex, darken, fade, quad polygon. So that's what, a lot of things can be done with this. With this is a particle effect one. Hmm? Okay, particle system 2. So you can do many things. Okay, so it cannot be, it can't be, the same image. Even with a dark any, with any solid, here black solid is, with any solid we can do this. Okay, so simulation, there are, foam is there. So foam I have applied for this. I'll select this. Let me add simulation foam. So when you add foam, this is how it looks. So a lot of options are there in foam. Instead of normal, I make it okay. Instead of view draft, I make it rendered. This is how it looks. Here, bubble, um, rendering, bubble rendering. Here, default bubble is there. Amber box, you can give. This looks like a blood cell. Okay, or water bead. This is like a water bead. Similarly, spit. So there are multiple things are there. Cartoon cafe. Okay, winter steam, soda. This is soda bubble. Okay, so we can create a soda bubble also with this. So how do you create a soda bubble? So you have to define the lifespan. Lifespan. Let us reduce the lifespan so that when it when it get birth, so it should die after some time, like this. This is lifespan. Um, Physics is nothing but the placement of this. Um, Turbulence you can give a bit so that a lot of noise will be there. You have wobble. Wobble is nothing but, you have a shaky effect for the bubble. See, lot of shakiness is there for the bubble. Okay, so that's one. Uh, like soda water, there are many things. Red tide is the red tide is a blood cell. You can take blood cells. Red tide. It looks good. Similarly, you have algae, a green thing. If some radioactive material effect, if you're doing, you can take this. Okay, blisters. So you try this. This is nuclear waste. You try this. This looks really good. So for orange soda, any product demo, if you're doing for a cool drink, you can use this sunset foam, bubble wrap, grape soda. Try soda water is this one. So producer, if you come, X you can spread, Y you can spread, X more we will spread, Y we will spread like this. Okay. So you can create like this many things. Okay. So try this. So any doubts are there?
No, sir.
So many effects we can, with individual effects we can create different videos, different outputs we can achieve. Okay. So try this. So anyhow, next class we will see few more examples. Okay. Mm. So you can create certain major effects using starburst, particle system, foam you can create. Okay, pixel poly. Anyhow, rainfall and snowfall. I want to see two different output for rainfall and snowfall. Apart from that, you can create another two more example for starburst or particle system of foam. So try that. Okay. Okay, guys. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay, Linda. I'll be sharing this, recorded footage. I'll upload and I'll be sharing it. So we'll see next class. Okay. Hmm?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Enjoy
Have
the
a good
rest of
day.
your day.